Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to enable personal hotspot on iPhone. So first open settings. Now locate the personal hotspot and turn it on. Now if you don't see it, tap on cellular and then select personal hotspot. And after turning it on the personal hotspot page, turn on for allow others to join. You will find it allow others to join. Turn it on. Now right below the toggle you will find the Wi-Fi password option. This is the password others will need to connect to your hotspot. Tap on it, and if you want to change it, simply change it. If you want to keep it, keep it. Tap on done, and on your other device go to Wi-Fi and settings and select your iPhone's personal hotspot from the list of available networks. If you are connecting from your own Apple device such as iPad, Mac, they should connect automatically without needing the password. If someone else or an unknown device is connecting, they'll need to enter Wi-Fi password you set up. So that's it. That's how you'll connect this personal hotspot from here. Thanks for watching.